Hello everyone, hope you are all having a great day. We've got a very special unboxing going on today, and it's our Elements wood look hexagons. Elements infuses smart technology into the world of bespoke lighting and interior design. Customizable modular panels finished with a wood grain veneer, giving a sophisticated yet organic feel to your living space. Elements were made to look beautiful on and off by being both a standalone piece of wall art and an ambient lighting fixture all in one. You can create a geometric art installation with the panels off or light them up for a softly glowing illumination that flows organically across your layout. Nanoleaf Elements come in this beautiful hexagon box with plenty of information and images, so let's take a closer look on each of the sides. This is Nanoleaf Elements Wood Look Hexagon Smarter Kit, including 7 light panels with Connect Plus. Over on the next side, we can see a great photo of Elements set up in a beautiful room. It introduces the design world to something smart without sacrificing artistry or elegance into your space. So starting off with the features on this side, we have create your own design, which means you can arrange the modular element panels into any configuration for complete creative freedom. Design your perfect layout to suit you and your home. Simple setup with tape, which means easy installation process with no tools needed. Use the adhesive on the back of the panels to secure them onto your wall to create your desired design. Glowing ember effect, so with each corner able to light up independently, the lights create a gentle sense of motion. Set the perfect mood by getting cozy in a warm glow of a crackling fireplace, or feel the sense of calm of a flowing waterfall. On the next side, we have some more features, starting off with the ambient whites going from 1500 to 4000 Kelvin. So set the ambience with adjustable warm and cool tones to fill your room with soft illumination. Next, we have the Rhythm Music Visualizer. So Rhythm Music Sync lets your lights react to the sounds around you to elevate your favorite songs and transform your musical experiences. You can connect up to 80 panels per controller. And finally, touch features. Touch your element panels to ignite a dynamic glow across your layout, or set swipes and taps to control functions like changing scenes or turning them on and off. The Nanoleaf app, which can be found on the App Store for both Apple and Android users, does many things to help you get the most out of your products. You have the ability to control the scenes playing, brightness, schedules, create your own scene, download a scene, Layout Assistant AR, and that's just to name a few. This app is your go-to for full customization, and we're constantly updating and improving it to give you the best experience. Now, if we take a look at the back of the box, there's a short list of our smart integrations. Control your Elements lights with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Alexa. It also works with IFT and SmartThings as well. However, a full list of our integrations can be found on our website. So now that we've taken a look at the box, let's open it up and see what's inside. The first thing that you will find when opening up your Nanoleaf Elements is a quick start guide. And inside you can see a list of things included in the box, as well as some installation tips and instructions. Along with the guide, you will find a welcome card that has some inspirations of designs you can create and a QR code to pair your panels. Try and hold on to this card, but if you lose it, you'll be able to find the same code on the back of your power supply and the controller. Pull out the hexagons with the handles and we can have a closer look at the beautiful wood grain texture. On the back, you can find the spots where you're able to connect the linkers, as well as the mounting plate, which already comes with the tape on there and can be fully removed just like this for easy dismounting. So under the panels, you will find your linkers that will connect your Elements panels together and to your controller. You will also find your controller, and your controller is the brains of your Elements setup, and it communicates with the app. It also has controls on it to let you manually turn them on and off, adjust the brightness, and change scenes. Finally, we have a power adapter for your power supply and the power supply itself that can power up to 22 panels at a time. So that is everything that you will find in the starter kit to get you started. Now let's get them set up. You can find a setup guide in the app when adding a new device to help with the mounting process, or watch our YouTube video tutorials on our channel. So I just finished putting up my Elements panels and the process was simple. Peel the backing off of the mounting tape on the back and stick them onto the wall, pressing firmly and connecting them with your linkers. I have also gone ahead and connected them to my phone. You can pair your set on the Nanoleaf app with your QR code or NFC tap. It's really easy and takes only a couple minutes to get them connected, and then you're all set. Even without turning them on, the color and the grain of the wood look beautiful as is. And that's what's so wonderful about them, the perfect harmony of art and technology. So let's cycle through a few of the 11 different curated scenes and see how they look. Whether it's getting lost in a book in your reading nook, winding down with circadian lighting to escape the stress of everyday life, or creating a personal wellness corner for your yoga and meditation, Elements will be the perfect addition to your home. So that pretty much covers everything from the unboxing and what to expect from your Nanoleaf Elements starter kit. If you aren't sure about something and need assistance with your Nanoleaf products, we have very easy to follow tutorials on everything through the setup process and troubleshooting. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, as well as following us on our socials to be the first to know about new updates and releases to come. Thanks for watching, and bye.